The UCLA Lake Arrowhead Symposium presents Not Back to Normal, Mapping a Just Transportation Recovery from COVID-19, a remote learning series that will explore transportation conditions before, during, and after COVID-19. Since the COVID-19 outbreak, transportation agencies have suffered a profound shock after already struggling with ages of system-wide inequities and inefficiencies. The intensity and speed with which COVID-19 spread through communities around the globe forced quick and often difficult adaptations by the industry. These challenges were exacerbated by transportation's history of rigid and slow-changing systems. Returning back to normal would mean returning to an era of declining transit ridership, chronic congestion, unsafe streets, regressive finance, and persistent mobility challenges for economically and socially vulnerable populations. Presentations drawing from the University of California Institute of Transportation Studies COVID-19 Response and Recovery Research Initiative will showcase the latest research on the pandemic's transportation impacts. The series will also highlight the work of transportation practitioners and advocates working on a just post-COVID transition. Key questions this series will address include: what are the economic, social, and racial dimensions of transportation in the pandemic? How have transportation systems and government actions perpetuated the racial inequalities that society has focused on during the pandemic? What transportation trends that have developed during the pandemic are likely to persist into recovery? How will the economic fallout of the pandemic affect how government delivers transportation services in the next decade? What will the public's perception of the government as a problem solver mean for those addressing transportation, land use, and environmental problems? What should advocates, researchers, and government agency staff be doing to pursue a more just and equitable transportation system as part of pandemic recovery?
For more information, visit UCLA Arrowhead Symposium.org.